Welcome to Positive Affirmations. Elevate happiness. Welcome to your new beginning. This video contains 7 minutes of positive affirmations. As with all of our guided videos, you may jump ahead to the 1-minute mark and start immediately. This video is designed to guide you through the transformative practice of meditation and positive affirmations, helping you manifest abundance and positivity in your life. For the best experience, find a quiet space where you can relax without interruptions. Each affirmation is repeated 3 times. We recommend you repeat them aloud. Feel each word with your heart and visualize your life as you desire it to be. The power of your thoughts is immense. You are speaking your words into the universe and into your mind, body, and soul. Today, we will harness the power of the sea as our foundation of strength. Repeat each affirmation after me. Let's begin. The sea is powerful, and so are my affirmations. The sea is powerful, and so are my affirmations. The sea is powerful, and so are my affirmations. I will manifest abundance in my life. I will manifest abundance in my life. I will manifest abundance in my life. I will feel waves of abundance washing over me. I will feel waves of abundance washing over me. I will feel waves of abundance washing over me. My potential to succeed is limitless. My potential to succeed is limitless. My potential to succeed is limitless. Like the ocean waves, my success will be constant. Like the ocean waves, my success will be constant. Like the ocean waves, my success will be constant. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I will find abundance in my life. I will find abundance in my life. I will find abundance in my life. The ocean is vast, so will be my success. The ocean is vast, so will be my success. The ocean is vast, so will be my success. Whatever I set in my heart can truly happen. Whatever I set in my heart can truly happen. Whatever I set in my heart can truly happen. I am a magnet for peace and prosperity. I am a magnet for peace and prosperity. I am a magnet for peace and prosperity. My abundance will bring me happiness. My abundance will bring me happiness. My abundance will bring me happiness. I possess all the qualities I need to be successful. I possess all the qualities I need to be successful. I possess all the qualities I need to be successful. I am connected to an abundance of powerful energy. I am connected to an abundance of powerful energy. I am connected to an abundance of powerful energy. The sea provides energy to send forth this affirmation. The sea provides energy to send forth this affirmation. The sea provides energy to send forth this affirmation. This completes our spoken affirmations. For the next minute, remember the affirmations you have spoken. If one or more affirmations created a picture in your mind, take a few seconds to recall that picture. Then send that picture, those thoughts, out into the universe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends so we can bring you more ideas. For more videos like this to help elevate your happiness, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified of our next post. Thanks for watching.